Hello, dear participants in a refresher course in e-content development and moocs. Also, respected director and coordinator, all teams of SRDC, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, Marathwada University, Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. This is Mr. Sudhakar Sudhanshu, roll number 22, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Sanjeevani Mahavidyalaya, Sapur. I am going to present my micro teaching lecture. Before discussing it, we are going to discuss some basic concept. Everybody know, I know, everybody know about what is meant by the set. I am taking here example of two sets. This is a set B. This is set B. B be the set of boys. It may contain 2 boys, 3 boys, 4 boys, etc. So I am taking here B1 and B2. These are 2 boys. Next set, that is G, and G be the set of girls, contains G1, G2. Okay. Now I am going to take a cross product. B cross G. So B cross G, that is cross product. So it contains boys and girl, but in order pair. So here, how many possible order pairs are there? So these are order pair B1, G1, B1, G2, B2, G1, B2, G2. So this set B cross G, this set is called Cartesian product. So here in pictorial form we can represent it is in this way. This is a set of boys B1, B2. This is a set of girl G1, G2. Okay. So B1 associate to G1, G2, and B2 associate to G1, G2, like this. So in mathematical formulation, we can express it in B cross G is a set of boys and girl, but this B belongs to this B. Now I am taking here some change notation, B and G order pair, and this B belongs to B and the G belongs to G. So this is Cartesian product. This is called as Cartesian product. Now in Cartesian product, there are all possibilities given. That means each boys associate to girl. This is a Cartesian product. This is a bigger concept. Now we discuss the next, that is relation. Next is a relation. So in relation we describe, this is relation. B is a brother of G. What is relation? B is a brother of G. So in Cartesian product, there are all possibility given. B1 associate to G1, B1 associate to G2, then B2 associate to G1, B2 associate to G2. If I describe a special relation, that is B is the brother of G, B is the brother of G. So if there is a B1 is a brother of G1, then we take here relation R, B1 is brother of G1. B1 may not be brother of G2. Suppose B1 is not brother of G2, then this order pair should not contain in this relation. Suppose this is a relation, this is possible, B2 is a brother of G2, then we can take here B2 is brother of G2. So relation is a subset of this cross product, that is B1, G1, B2 and G2. So in relation, this is the first type of relation, that is R1. This is the first type of relation. So in this relation, we only took those boys and girls who are brother and sister of each other. So B1 is the brother of G1, B2 is the brother of G2. Then we only take these terms in relation R1. So today we are going to discuss function. What is our topic? Function. Because function is a special type of relation. Function is also special type of relation. Now we discuss what is meant by function. So we discussed previous example, that is B be the set of boys, that is B1 and B2, and G be the set of girl, G1 and G2. So in relation, this is a set B, this is a set G, this is B1, this is B2, this is G1, this is G2. So function is a special type of relation. In this case, every element of the set B associated to one element, that is this B1 related to G2, this B2 related to G1, and such a type of relation is called function. Such a type of relation is called function. So previous relation, what is that relation? Relation R1. So boys B related to girl and B is brother of G. Brother of G. So this is a first class function because every element B1, B2 related to G1 and G2. That means element of G and this is the element of B. So this is called as the function. And this function can be expressed as in this way, f such that a to b. We can express the relation R in the by using f such that a to b, where A is a set, B is a set, A, B are non-empty set, and every element of set A associated with every element of one and only one element. One second. With one and only one element of B. So what is function? Function is a special type of relation, but there is some restriction. What is the restriction? A and B are non-empty sets. That means at least one element should be there, and every element of the set A associated to one and only element of the set B. One and only one element of the set B. We are going to discuss one more example. we are going to discuss one more example. Suppose this is a set of boys or set of men, and this is a set of village. This is set of village. So this is the M1, M2, M3, M4. This is a set of men's, and this is a set of village, that is V1, V2, V3, V4. These are villages. So this is a man associated to, suppose below is V2, M2, this is these, M3 may belong to the same village, M4 belongs to village V3. We are going to apply definition of function. What is a function? Every element of the set A, or here we have taken, that is M, related to one and only element of the set this is a B. We know every man has village in the set A. ऐसा तो पॉसिबल नहीं कि कोई आदमी है लेकिन उसको विलेज नहीं है. It is not possible. Every man has village 100%. So M1 village is V2, M2 village is V1, M3 village is V2, M4 village belong to village V3. लेकिन ये पॉसिबल नहीं है कि एक आदमी को दो विलेज होंगे. That means ये तो पॉसिबल नहीं. M4 belonging to V3 and M4 belonging to V4. That is not possible. So what is the definition? Each and every element of the set A associated to one and only one element of the set B is called function. So see here, every has only one village, and set of villages are V1, V2, V3 and V4, and the M1, M2, M3 and M4 are all are men. So this is the definition of function, and simply we can use this concept taking some algebraic problem. Let this function can be denoted as f of x, and f of x is equal to x square plus 1. When A be the set of element 1, 2, 3, then what will be the B be the set? So in B, see here, suppose this is a set of this element 1, 2, 3, and this is a set B. So if we put x is equal to 1 in this formula, so f of 1 is equal to 1 square plus 1 is equal to 2. So this one related to 2. Then f of 2 is equal to 2 square plus 1 is equal to 5. So these two related to 5. And when we do f of x is equal to 3, so that is 3 square plus 1 is equal to 10. So we get this is a 10. This is set A, this is a set B. And what is the function? This function, that means every element of the set A associated to every element of the one and only one element of the set B by using this rule, that is f of x is equal to x square plus 1. So all these elements of the set A, called domain, okay, and all element of this set B called range. A set B may have extra element. Suppose there is a 11 not related to any elements, there is no problem. It may have one element is more, because see here, V4 is a village, but in set M there is a no man belonging to that village. There is no man belonging to that village. So there is a, in the set B or in the set village V, maybe one village has no pre-image, but in the set A, every element must be related to this set. So like this. So in set A, it must be necessary no element should be vacant because in the definition every element should be related. But in the B, maybe some element left. So here set A and set B related to each other. We are denoted it in this way. This is called as function. This is a range. This is a domain. This is a range. So dear student, today we have already discussed the definition, that is what is meant by function. Now we can do some examples. I am giving domain. You have to find its range. We'll discuss some example. F of x is equal to x plus 1 for a is equal to 1 to minus 2, find b. That means range of function. Range of function. Next example, this is example number 1, this is example number 2. In example 2, that is f of x is equal to x square minus x plus 1 for a is equal to minus 101, find b. That is range of function. So okay student, now this topic, that is function, is over, and please come in next lecture with our homeworks. Okay, thank you very much.